Hello, it's me again, your Sambuanganya crafter and event coordinator. Samahan niyo po ako sa scheduled stamping ko ngayon. Event is 4 p.m. so time check, it's 3 p.m. Start na tayo sa setup ng ating booth. On the spot booking po pala ito, 1 day notice kasi referral ito sa isang event ko, yung sa sports team. Nagustuhan ng guest kaya ni-refer niya sa kakilala niya na magbe-birthday din the next day. So same po sila ng items, medium pouch, bag tags, tsaka keychains. Ang theme is Under the Sea or Little Mermaid. Ako na daw bahala sa color palette. So I chose na lang lavender, fuchsia pink, and light pink. They also avail small pouches. Perfect kasi ito para sa kiddie events. Papakute pa eh. Work na dai. Magla-gloves pa. Tatanggalin din naman mamaya. Ayan po yung stage styling. So Little Mermaid po yung theme kay Irene. Then start na tayo stamping. Total availed items ay 80 pieces po. And ready to claim na yung items natin. So that's it for today. Thank you for watching. Till next on site. Bye!